Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a Tinder account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, for anybody who do not know what is a Tinder app, well, Tinder app is a dating app where you can meet, greet and create a genuine relationship with the people you like. So I'm going to teach you how to create an account for it. So as you can see on my screen that I already do have a Tinder app. If you do not have it, you can easily install it to an app store or Play Store. So simply after doing that, all you gotta do is tap on Tinder app just like this. You have been given an option of login with Google, either with Facebook or with phone number. So simply I'm going to tap on login with phone number since I'm going to create one account with a phone number. After tapping on it, you can choose the phone number preferred just like this, alright, and tap on continue option. So now I'll be sent with the code, guys. I need to wait for it. So you can see it's a code. Now I can tap on continue option after inserting this code just like this. So I can even continue with the preferred email so that can be easier for me later on. So I've kept my email. I'm gonna tap on continue option. So you can see that I haven't welcomed to Tinder and my account has been finally formed. So I'm gonna tap on I agree if I agree with all of the terms and conditions stated above. Tap on I agree. So I can keep my name. I'm gonna go with name and tap on continue. So now I'm gonna put my birth date and tap on continue option again. So I can even reveal my gender over here. So I'm gonna tap on women and tap on continue option. And even I can put my sexual orientation so that can be easier for me to choose the partner I like. I'm gonna tap on straight. If you are gay, lesbian, bisexual, asexual, demisexual, even pansexual, you can just choose as you like and tap on continue options below. I'm gonna tap on men and tap on continue option. I can even state my university and tap on continue. And even I can state my passions, or so let me choose some of the passions that can be easier for me to state people that I like, and I'm gonna tap on continue option. Now I can add photos, at least 2 of the photos. Alright, Tinder doesn't allow you to take and keep others photos, so I'll keep my one interesting photo just like this and tap on next. And what you can do is you can see that I do have photos, and then I'm going to keep the next photo because it's asking that I need to keep at least 2 of the photos. Maybe I can keep this, let me see, and then tap on continue option just like this. You can see guys being loaded, and I can even enable the location, but if I don't want to do it, I can tap on tell me more. Maybe I'm going to allow location and allow Tinder to do this for better experience. So you can see guys that this is my particular profile right over here with the name Alexa. So this is how you do it. This is how you create your Tinder accounts. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe.